valley throw rolling ankle. So we're gonna lock, I'm gonna slap, and I'm gonna move at the same time. I'm pulling down on this one into my hip rear leg to the front of his opposite foot on my heel so that I can sit, roll, and this kicks straight up. Continue rolling on your hips till we get into this double shoulder lock. Okay, if I was just holding him down, I could grab here, but I'm going to reach up, I'm going to push this hand down, and then as I push it down, this foot's going to come up, trap the wrist in. You might want to punch you with this one, so I'm going to block it here, come under, and lock it there. Now if I want to add more here, I'm going to drop this knee, but as I drop this knee, I push on the side of the head. Grab, unlock, put it across, and then back.